Today we are gonna do painting. So I'm using this canvas, and here is a cup of water, and here's red color brushes, blue color brushes, green color brushes, brown color brushes. Okay, and here is a palette that you paint on. I already put a paint. And my daddy will get an angle from the top for you guys to see all the colors. Okay, so now we are gonna paint on this board. So we are gonna draw a beautiful sky with a beautiful happy face sun with glasses on and smiling. I'm just joking for that. Oh yeah, a building with a house. Here's the building and here's a little house. Okay, let's just start painting. And let's get the blue color first and paint. Ooh, these are so big. It's this one. I need a little brush. I'm gonna use some yellow, mix it. Now this is the sun. Okay, add the grass. Get the grass, mix it. The grass color is very beautiful. It's a tree. Need a break. So now I'm gonna do the building. Now let's just put a little window here. Now I could use red. Now I'm doing the house, and then I'm done. So now I'm done, you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Here's my painting. These windows, I really didn't want to do it like that one because it's gonna take a long time for us. And I know your guys' moms will say that it's too long, this video, turn it off. And so I just wanted to do it a little fast. So thanks for watching, bye. If you want to see me do any more, go to Lillian's YouTube channel. Okay? Bye. See you next time.